Hey, apa kabar kalian semua? Ketemu lagi dengan saya Uncle Teng di channel Uncle Teng. This time I'll try to sing my original song yang berjudul Friendly Breeze. Jadi videonya udah saya upload itu, official videonya itu udah saya upload. Jadi ini versi akustiknya nih. Sembari naik lagi ngerjain tugas. What are you doing, Nek?
Coding.
Coding? Tugas sekolah? School project? Okay. Here we go. Friendly breeze, guide me to your world. Let me see and help me to explore. You lead me to a friendly door. I need to know more and more. And you're the one that makes me feel the world is full unspoken words. Lead us on and take us along to wherever you will go. Lead us on and take us along to wherever you will go. A friendly breeze. Hey Jenny, take the lead. Keep us on the beat. Let us sing to keep you company. Summer breeze, no rainy day. Hey, please don't pass me by. Take our day, make it great, and let us feel your friendly breeze. Lead us on and take us along to wherever you will go. Lead us on and take us along to wherever you will go. Oh, friendly breeze. Friendly breeze, you may know where we should go. Let me know how wonderful the world can be. Friendly breeze, let us be free on the sea. We are on the open sea for Jenny and me. Are you helping me? Na na na, come on, Maggie, come on, go. Na 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 na. 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 Come on, lagi. Na 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 na. Louder. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, come on, Maggie. Hey, Jenny, come on. Hey, Jenny, take the lead. Keep us on the beat. Let us sing to keep you company. Summer breeze, no rainy day. Hey, please don't pass me by. Take our day and make it good, and let us feel your friendly breeze. Lead us on and take us along to wherever you go. Lead us on and take us along to wherever you will go. Oh, friendly breeze. Come on, Nike. Friendly breeze, you may know where we should go. Let me know how wonderful the world can be. Friendly breeze, let us be free on the sea. We are on the open sea for Jenny and me. Friendly breeze, you may know where we should go. Let me know how wonderful the world can be. Come on again, let's close it. Jadi kira-kira seperti itu dia lagunya guys. Jadi itunya udah saya rilis, official videonya udah saya rilis. Jadi lagi, so what are you doing now?
Encoding.
Coding what?
Game.
Game. Wow. So jadi si Naik nih lagi nge-coding game nih, project sekolah. So what kind of subject? Mata pelajaran apa? Huh?
Coding.
Yeah, what subject? Like
Coding.
Computer? There's a subject coding?
And coding and science.
Oh, science. Jadi mata pelajaran science. Jadi dia lagi bikin coding computer game. Sekarang jam 6.54, jam 7 pagi di Toronto. Oke guys, thank you for watching. Thank you udah nongkrong di channel saya. And let's keep rock and roll, alright? What's that?
So bye-bye.
Did you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye properly. Okay man, ciao.